Welcome everyone to the latest version of Windows 11. Microsoft has just released an update to the Windows subsystem for Android, bringing better performance and support for Android apps on the Windows 11 desktop. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the features the update brings to Windows 11, as well as some of the best Android apps you can download to get the most out of your Windows 11 experience. The update for the Windows subsystem for Android, WSA, brings improvements to platform reliability, alongside better security, and a new option in the WSA settings app called partially running. This system setting will launch apps more quickly because the Windows subsystem for Android is running in the background with minimal resources, allowing you to multitask more effectively. The update also includes the addition of the Android Picture-in-Picture (PIP) mode, which allows apps to display a second window inside the app, for example for a video clip. These improvements make Windows 11 even better for running Android apps. But which apps should you install? Well, there are plenty of great Android apps you can get from the Amazon App Store, with something for everyone. If you're an avid reader, the Kindle app for Android brings a better experience than the Windows version. TikTok is also available through the Amazon App Store and is a great way to experience the popular app on a larger screen, even with recent controversies. And if you're learning a language, the Android version of Duolingo offers complete language support, unlike on the Windows version. So that's a brief look at the update to Android apps on Windows 11, as well as a few of our app recommendations. With the improved performance and features, there's never been a better time to try out